A very good afternoon to all of you children. So let's move on to today's session. In the yes, good afternoon to all children. So in today's session, we will discuss about vowels and consonants. In the previous session, we were discussing about vowels and consonants, but today let's move on to into detail. Okay, so let's move on to the topic. So before we move on to the topic, let me ask you a few questions. Okay, are you all ready? Are you all ready? Yes? Yes. So, here comes the questions for you. I hope all of you are ready with your books. Okay, I hope. Are you all ready with your pencil? Keep your book closed. When I ask you to open, you can open it and we will do the exercise and the workbook. Okay, so during the sessions, children, I wanted all of you to get ready with your workbook and with your pencil. That is sure. Okay, get ready. Everything has to be written with a pencil into your workbook. Okay, so it should be written very, very neatly into your workbook. Notebook work, I will send it in the WhatsApp group. Okay, once we start, so you should all have a 4-line English grammar notebook. Okay, so once we start with the notebook work, I will send the notes in the WhatsApp group so that you can copy it down. So today we will start with today's session. Okay, so first of all, I wanted all of you to sit straight. Okay, put all your pencils down, put your books down, and sit straight, all of you. That is what I wanted. Okay, so, okay then, children, very good children. So let's start. Let's begin. One more thing I wanted to tell you is during the sessions, I wanted to see you all videos switched on. Okay, unless you don't have any network issues, see that you switch on your videos. Okay, that is also is one of your plus mark. Okay, so I wanted to see everything. So sitting straight with your book, get ready with your book and get ready with your pencil, and also sit straight for the class. Have a big smile on your face before we start the session. Okay, that is also very compulsory for the session too. Okay then. So let's start. Let's begin today's session. Okay, so the last previous session, we were talking about the alphabet, vowels, and consonants. So let me ask you, how many alphabet or how many letters are there in English alphabet? Elvin, come on, Elvin.
26 letters in the English alphabet.
Yes, it is 26 letters in English alphabet. Very good, Elvin. Very good. Okay. Now, Evelyn, come on, Evelyn. Let me ask you a question. Out of these 26 letters, how many are vowels? Come on.
5.
How many? Yes, very good, Evelyn. It is
5 vowels.
Vowels. Very good. 5 are vowels. Now, Anna Rose, very good. Anna Rose, the next question goes to, so remaining how many letters are there?
21.
Yes, 21 letters. What are they called, Anna?
Consonants.
Consonants. Very good. Great. So they are called consonants. Okay, very good. So now we are moving on to the deeper into the session. Let us learn more about the vowels and the consonants. Are you all ready? Yes? Yes, children? Are you all ready? Yes, 1 minute, children. Okay. I'm going to share the screen with you all. Later on, I'll mark your attendance. So we are about to begin today's session. So I wanted all of you to get ready with it. So this is all about it. So we are in worksheet 1, that is vowels and consonants. Okay, so we are in worksheet 1, vowels and consonants. It is consonants. Okay. So we are familiar with these vowels. We know that it is like a 5 fingers. There are 5 vowels in English alphabet. There are A, E, I, O, and U. Clear? A, E, I, O, U. So there are 5 vowels in English alphabet. So consonants as such, we have 21 consonants. So these are the consonants. Other than the 5 vowels, these are called the consonants. Okay. So this is the work we have done in the previous class. That is in page number 1. So we know out of the 26 letters, 5 are vowels and the remaining 21 letters are called consonants. And this is what we have written in our workbook. Now let us move on to the next section. That is, we have to know more about the vowels. So children, vowels are very, very important. Why means? It is in every word must have at least one vowel in them. Clear? Why are vowels are very important? Have you seen a dictionary, children? Have you seen an English dictionary? Yes or no? If it's, I muted you all. Put a thumbs up if you have seen it. Okay. Have you seen an English dictionary? In that dictionary, if you can see many words in it. Okay. So it says that in English language, all the words should have at least one vowel in it. Is that clear? So you know how important vowels are. There are only 5 vowels, but in every word, at least there are one vowel in it. Have you understood? Okay, so there should be at least one vowel in every word. So vowels are very, very important. So vowels are the very soul of English language. Have you understood? Vowels are the very soul. Okay, soul as in English. So every syllable must contain at least one vowel. Okay, now let's move on to the words. I'll tell you what are words and what are syllable. So doctor is a word. All of you look at it. Doctor is a word. Now letters join together, what you will get? When letters are joined together, what you will get? Children, we have learnt about,
Word.
yes, we have learnt about the 26 letters in English alphabet. Okay, that is clear. When the letters are joined together, we'll get a word. Okay, we'll get many words. Okay, so it says that in every word, there should be a vowel in it. It is compulsory to have at least one vowel in every word. Okay, so yes, so here in this word, so doctor is a word. Okay, so you can find that there are 2 vowels in it. Can you see it, children? You can see 2 vowels in it. So O is a, so here there are 2 vowels in the word. Okay, so doctor. So how many syllables are there in that word, children? There are 2 syllables. How come we know that there are 2 syllables in it? How do we pronounce the word doctor? We'll give a rhythm to it. Okay, children. We'll give a rhythm to it. Doctor. Okay, done. So how many syllables are there? There are, come on, tell me, how many syllables are there? There are 2 syllables.
There are 2 syllables.
Okay. So, as I've told you, vowels are very, very important. In every word, you can find at least one vowel in it. So, in this word, 2 vowels, and every syllable in every word has a vowel in it. Now, I'll tell you what is a word and what is a syllable. Here in this word, doctor is a word. So, how many syllables are in this word? How many syllables are there? This is for us to understand, children, is nothing much to study about. So, how many syllables are there in this word? There are 2. How come we know it? How do we pronounce the word? Syllables is like how do we pronounce the word? Okay, so it is doc. So, how many syllables are there?
2 syllables.
Yes, there are 2 syllables, and in every syllable you can find a vowel in it. Can you find a vowel in it? Can you find a vowel, children? Yes? Say if it's thumbs up. Yes? Oh, is a vowel. So in there, doc is 1 syllable. Okay? And t is 1 syllable. So how many syllables are there in this word, doctor? How many syllables are there?
2.
Yes. Have you understood? So every syllable must contain at least one vowel. Okay, some words have only one syllable, but certain words have 2 or 3 or 4 syllables in it, according to how we pronounce the word. Now let's move on to the next word. Okay, mother. So how many syllables are there?
2. 1 syllable.
How do we pronounce the word?
1 syllable.
Mother. Okay, mother. So there are 2 syllables. Okay, so there are 2 syllables. Okay, this is nothing much to study, children, but we should know it how vowels are very, very important. Okay, only for that.
I can see.
So when we come to
No problem. I will switch on the video.
please
Now
mute
we
your
can see.
ears, all of you, otherwise I have to mute it. Okay, this is a word here, garden. So how many syllables are there in this word garden? How many syllables are there? 2. Okay, I wanted your answer, but some of you are shouting. That's why I have to mute yourself.
Ma'am.
Okay, so garden. How many syllables are there?
2.
2. Yes, very good. So garden. Okay, so gar is 1 syllable and den is every. So we can find it that in every syllable you can find a vowel in it. Okay, so let's move on. Yes, please. Now, what is this word is?
Table.
Table.
2.
Table. So here, how many syllables are there?
2
Table.
syllables.
We give a rhythm to it. Table. There are 2 syllables in it. Okay. So now what have we understood is that vowels are very important and consonants are also equally important because vowels and consonants have to be linked together to make a word. Have you understood that? Okay, so the vowels, we know that in English alphabet there are only 5 vowels, but the vowels are the very soul of English language. So in every word there is at least one vowel in it. Okay, or in every syllable there is at least one vowel. Syllable means you know. In a word, we can break the words as we pronounce the word. That is known as a syllable. Doctor, furniture. So how many syllables are there in that word? I'll tell you. This is a new word. Furniture. Come on, tell me, children. How many syllables are there in that word?
3.
3. How come you know it?
3.
Nature. Okay. Nature. So there are 3 syllables in this word. Can you find in each syllable there is a vowel at least? At least means there should be at least one vowel in it. Here, U is a vowel. Yes, U and E is a vowel. Have you all understood? And have you all vowels and consonants both has to be linked together in order to make a word. Is that clear to all of you? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Consonants both has to be linked together in order to make a word. So I hope it's clear to all of you. That is the importance of vowels and consonants. All of you understood? Understood? Understood, children? Okay. So vowels are very, very important because in every word in English, there are at least one vowel in it. Okay, take any word as such. Girl, boy, box, cat, dog, hat, desk, bench, any word as pencil, pen, whatever you give me the other thing, there is at least one vowel in it. So vowels are very, very important, but with vowels we can't make words. Vowels also has to be linked, like means joined with the consonants in order to make words. Now in the next session, we are moving on to the words. Let us see the words, okay? Are you all ready? Here comes the words for you. So I wanted all of you to open your workbook. Now we're moving on to the next exercise, that is B. We have to insert appropriate vowels to complete the following words. Are you all ready? Yes? Ready? Yes, okay. If you're ready, put a thumbs up for me. Okay, I've unmuted you all. That's what. Now please do take this. All of you please do take it and take your pencils in your hand. This is the first page, children. Why you have to turn your pages like this? All of you please do take your workbook. Don't you have your English grammar workbook with you? My pages are torn. So you all of you please do take the first lesson, that is worksheet 1, vowels and consonants. We have completed with exercise A. Now let's move on to exercise B. Okay, are you all ready? Yes, I hope it's ready. Now we'll start with Badra. Badra, come on, Badra. Badra, are you there? No? Badra is not there in the place. Okay, Ryan. Ryan, come on, Ryan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ryan.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ryan. Come on, read the first.
ഊരിക്കളയപ്പോ
What is this? F-C-E. Which letter has to be
ഊര്
inserted?
എന്നാലേ എനിക്ക് കേക്കുള്ളൂ.
Which letter?
F-A-C-E. എഴുതാൻ എനിക്കറിയില്ല. F-A-C-E.
Yes, F-A-C-E. So A should be inserted into it in order to make a word. So which vowel we have to insert there? We have to insert the vowel A into it. Very good, Ryan. Okay. Okay. Now, Badra, come on. Your mother is there, Badra. Unmute it. You know, yes, very good. We move on to the second word. I wanted all of you to write the letter, do the exercise and page number. Okay, take a pencil and do it now. Who is that talking there? Yes, do the second word. Badra. Badra.
എന്നോട് പറഞ്ഞു നേരത്തെ ഭദ്ര.
Yes.
പറയാൻ പറഞ്ഞ
Yes, do it. Do the second word, Badra.
രണ്ടാമത്തെ കണ്ട ഭദ്ര.
Yes, just say the answer. Dash P-E-N. So which letter has to be inserted here?
A.
How come A?
എന്താ?
He is not the answer. Look at your book.
2.
Which letter? We were asking you to insert only vowels. So there are only 5 vowels are there. Which letter is the correct word there? Letter to be inserted there. Yes, come on. Yes, I'll move on to the next person if you're not sure. Bhavana, come on. Bhavana, is it your name, Bhavana?
No, ma'am. Buena.
Ah, Bhuvana. Okay. Yes. Bhuvana, come on.
Dash P-E-N.
Ah, so which letter has to be inserted there?
O.
Oh, very good. It is O. Okay, so it is O-P-E-N. Open. Okay, O-P-E-N. It is open. Very good. Okay, very good, Bhavana. Bhuvana. I'm sorry, it is Bhuvana. So I could not find your name here. That's what. Now, Anna Thomas. Yes, Anna. Come on, do the next one for me. Third question.
S-H-U-T.
Yes, shut. S-H-U-T, or you can write there S-H-O-T. Whichever it is right. Okay. So it is S-H-U-T, or you can write there. Who's that touching the... Children, you can either write there U or you can write there O, whichever it is. Okay. Yes. Either you can write U or you can write there O. S-H-U-T, or you can write there S-H-O-T. S-H-U-T, or you can write there S-H-O-T. Okay. Please do write it. Are you all writing? Have you all finished? What is this? Okay. Now I'll move on to the next person. Nazia, are you there? Yes? Yes, we'll move on to the next word, fourth word, Nazia. Which letter has to be inserted there? Ah,
T-A-L-L.
yes, T-A-L-L. Very good. T-A-L-L. Yes. Nazia is right.
T-A-L-L. Tall.
L, tall. Yes. T-A-L-L.
Tall. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Is it Anthony Savi? It's your name? Will you please unmute it, Anthony? What's your name, my dear? Anthony is not there? Okay, Advil Ron. Come on, Advil.
On mute ചെയ്യടാ.
Why?
Yes. Come on. Advil. Is unmuted. Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, read the question. Why?
Y-O-U-R.
Very good. Y-O-U-R. Come on, all of you, please do write it. Y-O-U-R. Your. Y-O-U-R is your. Okay. Who's that? Change the screen there. Have you all finished? Now let's move on to the next word, Rudraksha. Come on, do the last, so do the sixth word.
M-I-K.
M-I. Children, in your book, see, look at the board here, children. In your book, there is a spelling error is there. So, I don't know what is happening to the board.
M-I-L-K.
Yes, M-I-L-K. Yes.
Milk.
Yes, M-I-L-K.
Milk.
Yes, M-I-L-K is milk. Okay. So please do write it there. So here it is face. Here it is open. It is, something is wrong with the screen, children. I don't know. Okay. It is shout. Either you can write there O. Okay, now we have already finished with this word. We have finished with this. Children, the sixth word is, it is milk. M-I-L-K it is. There is a printing error in your workbook. It is only L is not given. If it's not given, please do insert L into it. Okay, that is M-I-L-K, milk. Okay, is that clear to all of you? M-I-L-K, milk. One minute, children. I wanted all of you to do it. Please do it, okay, children? Something is wrong with the board. Yes. So we are finished with this. Those who haven't finished, please do it. Open. And the third word is shut or shot, whatever it is. Both are right. It is tall, T-A-L-L, tall. It is your. Milk, it is children. So now we'll move on to the seventh word. Okay. Ivan, Tom. Come on, Ivan. Do the seventh word. Ivan, Tom. Yes. Come on, read the word. Or which letter has to be inserted there? Ivan. Ivan is not there. Yes, Ivan. What is that? Which letter here? Seventh word, children. Mm. No, which letter has to be? W-S-H. So which letter we have to insert there? Yes, Antonio. Come on, Antonio. Come on, Antonio.
A.
A. Very good, Antonio. It is A. Okay. So A. Wash. It is wash. So it is A. The letter A has to be inserted. So A is a vowel. Okay. So all of you, please. Very good. Dia, come on, do the next word. I hope all of you have finished. If you have finished, we'll move on to the next word. Dia. Dia, come on, unmute it. I hope all of you are writing. Dia. Yes, unmute it, Dia. Yes. Unmute it. Come on. Now do the eighth question.
D-O-W-N.
Very good. D-O-W-N. Very good. D-O-W. Down. Very good. Okay. D-O-W-N. Down. Very good. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. So I hope all of you are writing. Who's this? Is it your name, my dear? Srijit? I couldn't find your name here in the list. Could you unmute it and speak to me? What's your name, my dear? Srijit. I don't know where. Yes, unmute it, please. Please do rename it if it's not your name. I'm checking for your name. I'm not getting it in the name list. What's your name, my dear? Please do unmute it, no? No? I hope you can understand. Yes, now let's move on to the next word. Aldrin. Aldrin, come on, Aldrin. We'll move on to the 9th word. Aldrin is there? Aldrin? Unmute it, Aldrin. Is it Aldrin? Joseph? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Aldrin. Come on, do the 9th word for me, Aldrin. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do it. Yes? Do it. Children, are you all writing? Yes? Are you all writing, children? Are you all writing? How many words we have finished so far? We have finished with the nine words, okay? We'll do one more word, okay? With that, we'll finish off today's session. So are you all ready? Okay? Oh, okay, one more word. Who's going to do that? Yes? Yes, Sri Parvati.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, please do unmute it. Yes. Sri Parvati, come on, Sri Parvati. Unmute it, Sri Parvati.
Unmute.
Yes, do the 9th question.
O-P-E-N.
Yes, O-P-E-N. Very good. So which letter has to be inserted there? E has to be. Yes, it is open. Very good, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Now I'll move on to the next one more, the last word of today's session. Okay, let me see. I hope all of you are doing it. Antonio has got already a chance. Those who did not get a chance. Ayapadas, come on, do it. Ayapadas, do the 10th question.
E.
Yeah, it is you read the letter.
I.
Yes, it is I-U-N-I-O-N. Okay, it is U-N-I-O-N. It is union. Okay, U-N-I-O-N. Okay, children. So I hope all of you have finished it. Have all of you finished it, children? Aaron Paul is not there? Aaron is there, no? Advil is there? Have all of you finished? Agamya. Agamya is there. Agnes Aji. Agnes Aji is there? Please do raise your hands. Agnes. Agnes is not there? Daksha is there? Yes, Daksha is there. Ephron is there? Ephron, if you're there, please do raise your hands. Yes, Ephron Liju, I saw you. Hiba? Hiba? Hiba, if you're there, please do raise your hand. Hiba Fatima, yes, it's there. Issa Maria? Issa? Issa? Issa's not there. Juvanna Joshi? Giovanna's not there. Okay. And Mohammed Faizan is not there. Shebansia Marty. Okay then. So with this, we have come to the end of today's session. I hope you have understood. So in today's session, we have learned almost 10 words. I wanted all of you to complete those 10 words into your workbook. Okay. So we have already completed it. See there that you write it neatly. So in today's session, we have completed almost 10 words. Okay, children. So all of you, bye-bye, children. So until we meet for the next time.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.